Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add Canva into your Microsoft Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add Canva, you just simply have to open your MS Authenticator into your device, and after that just simply tap into this plus button just beside the magnifier. And now you just simply have to tap into this other account option, and into this section you just simply have to scan the QR code of Canva two-step verification, and after that Canva will successfully be added. Otherwise you can use or enter code manually option, and after entering your account name and secret key and then click to finish. Then after doing this very easy step, your Canva will successfully be added to Microsoft Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.